Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 and we will present about the Sustainable Multi-Story Building Project.
My name is Noor Atira Irani Mitrani and my matrix number is TF200149. Today, we will present a project of sustainable building at Jalan Trans Johor Bahru, which is to replace the Suasana Suites Hotel to a residential building named Aura Residence. The objectives of this project are to elaborate the sustainable criteria based on the knowledge of sustainable development. Next, to identify the necessities that can be applied to this building. And the last one is to analyze the waste management during this construction. The sustainable criteria must be based on the sustainable construction. There are 3 pillars, which are economy, environment, and social. There are a few strategies that can be applied to achieve the sustainability of the building. The first strategy is energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is defined as the use of the most effective way of energy. For the minimum EE performance, the consumption can be cut back through the improving efficiency by using smart meters, which can track where and how the energy used in this building. The renewable energy is the ability to renew the natural resources. The amount of energy used for heating and cooling can be reduced by using ventilation, heat sinks, and better insulation. For example, the heat pumps and heat exchangers can transfer the heat from the IT server room to the building to heat the water.
My name is Muhammad Danan Izzuan bin Ahmad Fairuz. My matrix number is DF200087. For the minimum indoor air quality performance, Aura Residence have been designed with natural cross ventilation and add a chimney effect to give a better airflow quality inside the building. For the sound insulation, Aura Residence will be designed with specific instrument to reduce sound penetration between dwelling for upper floor and wall. For the upper floor will be designed with metal resilient channel isolator, and for the wall will be designed with semi-rigid mineral wool insulation. Next is public transport access. The location that has been selected for Aura Residence is very strategic because it is near to Johor Bahru Central, which is the largest mass transport hub in Johor Bahru. The distance between Aura Residence and Johor Bahru Central is only 230 meters away, and the pathway will be covered for handicap. And the last one is community service and connectivity. The location for the building is very strategic because most of the basic amenities such as mosque, church, restaurant, laundry, clinic and shopping mall are available within 750 meters.
Hi, I'm Bisna. Criteria for its materials and resources. Materials are the essential components of building construction, and this criteria is divided into 2 main assessments, which is use and recycle materials and sustainable resources. Use and recycle is an important strategy to reduce environmental effect of buildings. Reuse means materials that come out of the disposal stream and landfills, and it helps to minimize the pollution and limiting the use of natural resources. While recycle means maintains materials by collect, sort, process, and turn into new products. Sustainable timber is considered as a sustainable resource, and it is obtained sustainably from well-managed forests. Used and recycled materials can prevent adverse effects of building construction, and it can decrease environmental effect and overall life cycle energy by 30%, while for sustainable resources, timber is an insulator in hot and cold weather. It is capable to be renewed and biodegraded, since it has a flexible material that may be readily shaped.
My name is Farah Waini binti Muhammad Rizwan, and my matric number is 200-134. Okay, for the water efficiency, what is water efficiency? Water efficiency is referred to the efficient use of our water resources through water saving technologies and simple household action that we can all take. Okay, there are water efficiency technologies to apply for the purpose of our residential building at the city centre Johor Bahru in order to green building system rating for water efficiency, which is rainwater harvesting and grey water efficiency. For the rainwater harvesting, is one of the method for reducing potable water consumption by collecting and storing rainwater in the tank via tube and then using it for a low quality water purpose such as irrigation and toilet flushing. Rainwater is frequently captured in developed countries to be used as an additional supply of water rather than primary sources. Okay, for the grey water efficiency is used water without toxic chemical or increment, also described as a wastewater generated by wash basin, shower and bath that can be recycled on the site and subsequently utilized for the toilet flushing, landscape irrigation and non-potable purpose, and reducing the amount of wastewater that enters sewer and or treatment facilities on site. This can help not just a particular household but also the community as a whole.
My name is Hana Shaira, and I will explain about the innovation. Innovation known as a new ideas, devices or processes, as well as inventive design and effort that support the GBI's goals. Each of the green construction project had a different innovation criterion. These criteria divided into 2 main assessments, which are Innovation in Design and Environmental Design Initiative and Green Building Index Facilitator (GBIF). The first one is Innovation in Design and Environmental Design Initiative. There are latest list of approved innovation. For example, energy efficient appliance, which is provide at least 2 types of 5-star energy efficient appliance for all resident units, and the parking guidance system, which is allow for unallocated parking spaces. And the second one is a Green Building Index Facilitator (GBIF). GBI facilitators give professional service to assist in the design of project in order to attain the required green rating. And the GBI professional costs are not fixed, and it will solely depend on the preference of the GBIF. The use of energy efficient appliance was chosen for the residential building, as we know in our residential building it's equipped with a modern technology. Residential building consumes 25% more electrical energy than the commercial building. The benefit of using 5-star technology equipment can reduce the cost of electrical energy in one residence. For the parking guidance system, it is a device or a type of software. The main goals are to guide people with their parking routine and save their time. For the Green Building Index Facilitator (GBIF), it's required at least one significant member in the project to serve as a GBI facilitator to help with the design integration with GBI requirements and managing the application and certification process until the Green Building Index certification is attained. 10.
Okay, next I will explain about waste management. A project hierarchy is often regarding as a finance waste management strategy because it benefit to the economy that has a minimal environmental impact. So first we start with prevention. Second is preparing for reuse, and the third one is recycle, and the fourth is the recovery, and the last one is disposal. The last for the conclusion, green construction benefit can be divided into 3 categories, which is economy, environmental, and social. Green construction benefit have been proved beneficial social implication in addition to economic and environmental benefit. So that's all. Thank you.